Hey, what's going on, guys? Into today's video, I'm gonna be doing, oh my god, I almost fell, an ECU install. So I'm not gonna lie, this video, like, I almost forgot making it because it's raining, but this is gonna be a quick summary of what I got. So I got an ECU from Revmatch Motorsports, and it's a stage 2 ECU. Now I'm gonna be doing a little test here for myself where I'm gonna be pretty much, no, the sticker, oh my god, the sticker just fell in the drain. Oh well, no more 5 horsepower. I just lost my 5 horsepower. Anyways, yeah, I know this video is so rushed, but it's okay. Let me show you guys what's going on in here. Now this is on the passenger side, which the first thing you're gonna remove, I don't think you have to remove the air filter itself, you just have to take that box out, which it's clipped right here, like this box with this clip right here. Take that out, disconnect this intake right here, and then you get to this. Now this is like an Allen bolt, but I use this Torx, whatever this Torx is. Torx what, 30? Yeah, Torx 30 works fine, so I'm pretty sure whatever Allen key 30 should work as well. And now all you want to do is remove this. Let me make this wider. There we go. All you want to do is remove this white cover, and there should be an ECU underneath it. I got BC coilovers. We BC coilover in it. you know what I mean? Anyways, pretty sure this should be almost out. That's out. That's out.
Don't jump in the water. Come over. Look right here.
And this last one is nasty. I'm about to use an extension for it. I don't want to touch that. I don't got gloves on. Whatever. I need to get a tripod so I don't have to keep scratching my camera, because that's dumb. And it's wet, so I don't want to put my screen on the water either. Okay, why is this getting tighter? Why is it getting tighter? Come on, bitch. Get out. Come on. I think it's almost out. Yo, what? Yeah, I wouldn't even be able to do this with my finger. You see, it's all sludgy. And on top of that, it doesn't want to come up. But I think it's out. Let's see. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're in there. Now, the only problem is... Actually, never mind. There's no problem. There's only one ECU in here. Because I saw YouTube videos and they had like 20 ECUs. Unless only automatic transmissions have 1,000 ECUs. Because there's only one in here. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to install a new one. So, okay, so I found a way to disconnect the connectors. Which you got to do it in the order of coming from here, going towards driver's side. Because you have to slide these all the way down for it to fully come out. It's because I tried doing this one, but it's stuck on this one. So let me zoom in there. Let me see, where is it? Right here. So this little lever right here, you have to push this all the way down. You press this button first. You see this release button? You press that with like a screwdriver or something sharp, and then you push this lever all the way down towards the passenger side, and it should come up. Now do the same shit to the next, and boom. Now connectors, I feel like each connector is special, so you shouldn't really mix them up. I hope so. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna compare it with the new ECU. So to take it out, there's these 2 tabs. There's one and there's another one right there. You want to push those tabs kinda and pull the ECU out at the same time. It's kind of hard to do while holding the camera, but I'm gonna have to put you guys down. Hold on. So push the tab, and cut it. Oh, the other one. Come on, tab. Yeah. Okay, so stock ECU is out, and I'm just gonna make sure connectors, which they should be, but I'm just gonna make sure that Yep. Connectors seem identical to me. Now, this is the tuned one. And how I know, because this is factory, it has a VIN number. The VIN number on this one has been washed because, I don't know, they probably yanked it from me. So now, I'm going to put this in. Hopefully water doesn't get in there. Now, okay, update. This car's completely stuck. This is a test. And because I try to search online if there's anything on this, but there's nothing on this. So I'm trying to find out if I could still get pops without touching my exhaust. So hopefully we're not gonna fuck nothing up. But that's why, so when you buy it, you can order this ECU, or you could send in your ECU and then they tune that. But that's why I ordered a different ECU, so if the ECU does get fucked up because I didn't do hardware, I could still put on my stock ECU, call it a day. So I'm gonna put this back in there, which should slide like that. Wait, I forgot. Holy shit, how the fuck did I? Okay, I'm gonna rewatch the, nah, it is like that, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna slide it in like that, and let's hope everything works out. Okay, all right. It's really light burble. It's not, I'm pretty sure it's because I still have headers, so I wasn't expecting anything crazy, but oh my god, they're now coming in. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. You see nothing. Now burble's on. It's not a lot. There's something. Amazing. To be honest, that's all I wanted. I didn't want the car to be crazy loud. That's why I still have the stock headers on there. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be taking it. Gonna be taking it for a test drive. So hopefully this plastic on the window is not gonna be too loud. But we'll see. Can't even see anything. Cause that window is way too loud. This plastic is literally the loudest thing. All right, now it's gone. Let's go. Honestly, it's not that loud at all, which I still have a stock headers. I didn't get ketless headers yet. can kind of feel or hear the ghost cam. I think I definitely have to do headers, because I didn't think it would be, I mean, to be honest, I don't know what I was thinking. For some reason in my head, like, I was imagining it would make the exhaust louder, which now that I think about it, I don't know, it would be the same exhaust note, just burbles. I don't know why, like, but I heard some ketless headers, and I didn't like how they sounded because they were too loud. Maybe I'll do that and invest into a muffler. Maybe I'll see how that goes.